The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is basically a low-carb, high-fat diet. Instead of fueling your body with carbs, which usually come from things like bread and pasta, you have to load up on fats and keep your carb intake super low. This simple change in your eating style puts your body into a state called ketosis, where it starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. While there are many keto-friendly fast food options, not all of them are healthy. Interestingly, it has been estimated that between 71 and 83% of all the calories we consume come from processed foods. Although they are usually prepared using natural ingredients, they undergo many chemical changes during processing that make it a bit tricky to identify their true nature. For example, vegetable oils undergo a transformation process involving starches, chemicals, and acids to extract oil from plants. So what are the healthier alternatives to these processed foods? And which natural keto foods you can always have in your kitchen? Let's find out in this video. Number 1. Grass-fed meat. Grass-fed meats like beef, lamb, and other types of grass-fed meat are a much better and healthier option than grain-fed beef and chicken, because grass-fed beef is usually much higher in antioxidants, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, while grain-fed beef is usually higher in omega-6 fatty acids. High levels of these fats can promote inflammation in your body, which can be extremely bad for your health. Grass-fed meats are also naturally high in protein and other bioavailable nutrients, like iron and zinc, which can keep you overall healthy. Number 2. Eggs. Have you ever tried pasture-raised organic eggs? These kinds of eggs are a much healthier option than the regular ones, offering essential nutrients like choline, which helps keep your liver healthy by managing fat, and retinol, which is the active form of vitamin A. Eggs are also rich in protein, which is essential whether you want to lose weight or want to boost your muscle strength. Number 3. Grass-fed butter. Grass-fed butter is rich in healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, which can be great for your heart health. It also naturally contains minimal carbohydrates, making it a suitable choice for a low-carb keto diet. Plus, it's a good source of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin K2. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions, including immune support, bone health, and blood clotting. With low-carb and high-fat content, grass-fed butter can be a very healthy keto food option for you. The fats in grass-fed butter contribute to the production of ketones and also makes you feel full and satisfied for a long time, helping you control your appetite and lose those extra pounds. Number 4. Grass-fed cheese. Just like grass-fed butter, organic cheese made from the milk of grass-fed cows is another healthy option. It's not just low in carbs, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and CLA, the healthier kinds of fats. Plus, you get a dose of many vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin B12, all crucial for your overall health. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, a perfect fit for your keto fat needs. They're naturally low in carbs and high in fiber, making them a fantastic choice for a keto-friendly snack. Their fiber content not only helps with digestion, but also contributes to that full and satisfied feeling, which is crucial for keto success. Avocados also bring a bunch of essential nutrients to the table, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate. From guacamole to sliced on salads or straight out of the skin, avocados are not just nutritious, but also incredibly tasty. Number 6. Berries. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are relatively low in carbs, making them a nutritious addition to your keto diet. They are among the best sources of antioxidants and fiber, helping you stay full while keeping you energized and protecting your body from harmful free radicals. Plus, they offer many awesome nutrients like potassium, manganese, vitamin C, vitamin K, and prebiotics. Whether you snack on them solo, throw them into a keto-friendly smoothie, or enjoy them with a dollop of whipped cream, berries are versatile and delicious. Number 7. Fish. Fish is a top-notch source of high-quality protein, helping you meet your protein goals for a strong and healthy body. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health and protect your body from inflammation and oxidative stress. They are also packed with vitamin D, several B vitamins, and minerals such as selenium and iodine, all of which are essential for your body. From grilled salmon to shrimp stir-fry, fish is incredibly versatile, making it easy to incorporate into a variety of keto-friendly recipes. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are relatively low in carbohydrates, but the exact carb content varies based on the type of tomato. Cherry tomatoes, for example, tend to be a bit lower in carbs than larger varieties. There are fewer than 30 calories and about 4 grams of carbohydrates in a cup of cherry tomatoes, so they can be a good addition to your keto diet if you don't eat them too much. They are a good source of many essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, which is an antioxidant. You can enjoy them fresh in salads, cooked in sauces, or grilled as a side dish. Number 9. Garlic. Of course, you won't be eating it solely as a keto food, but you do need it to enhance the flavor of your meals, right? And not just flavor, garlic's sulfur-based compounds, especially gingerols and shogales, have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and immune-boosting properties. So, adding a little bit of garlic to your keto foods can help keep you well protected against many diseases and infections. Plus, it helps improve your metabolism and insulin sensitivity, helping your body burn fats more efficiently. Number 10. Onions. Well, they do have a moderate amount of carbs, but red onions generally have slightly fewer carbs than yellow or white onions. Onions don't just add a savory and sweet flavor to your meals, but also provide many essential nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, especially quercetin, and sulfur-based compounds called allyl sulfides. These compounds help strengthen your immune system, help your body fight infections and inflammation, help clean up your arteries, detoxify your blood, and even boost your metabolism. So when you add them to your salads, omelets, and cooked meat dishes, you can achieve your weight loss goals in a much faster and healthier way. Number 11. Sauerkraut. It is basically made from fermented cabbage, and the fermentation process makes more probiotics available for better gut health. It also contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and essential minerals like iron and manganese. But remember that when purchasing sauerkraut, be cautious of added sugars in some commercial varieties. Opt for sauerkraut without added sugars to keep it keto-friendly. Plus, while sauerkraut can be a part of a keto diet, it's important to consume it in moderation due to its sodium content, especially if you are sensitive to sodium. Number 12. Extra virgin olive oil. Now this one is arguably the best highest quality, unprocessed, and natural kind of oil that you can use to make your meals. It contains almost zero carbs and is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like polyphenols. It can be used for cooking, salad dressings, and drizzling over vegetables, providing a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals. Number 13. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are relatively low in carbohydrates and are a good source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and vitamin A, which is essential for vision and skin health. They also contain fiber, contributing to digestive health and helping to manage blood sugar levels. The different colors of bell peppers, like red, yellow, green, and orange bell peppers, don't just make your meals colorful, but also provide a mix of many antioxidants and phytochemicals. Bell peppers are extremely versatile and can be used in various keto-friendly dishes, such as salads, stir-fries, and stuffed peppers. Number 14. Nuts and seeds. Nuts are generally a great source of healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, and several vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, vitamin B6, niacin, folate, iron, zinc, selenium, and manganese. So you can consider a nutrient-dense food. And well, there are so many options to choose from, like almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, and pecans from the nut family, and chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds from the seed family. But do remember to consume nuts and seeds in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. Also, be aware of portion sizes to stay within your daily carb limits on a keto diet. Number 15. Greek yogurt. Including Greek yogurt in your keto diet can be a great idea, but it's important to choose the right type and consume it in moderation. If you are on a keto diet, then opt for full-fat Greek yogurt rather than low-fat or fat-free versions. The higher fat content aligns better with the macronutrient profile of a keto diet. Moreover, some flavored Greek yogurts can contain added sugars, which can potentially increase your carb intake. So choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to minimize sugar content. Also, while Greek yogurt is lower in carbs compared to regular yogurt, it still contains some carbohydrates. Be mindful of your overall daily carb limit and portion sizes. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein, which can be really good for you if you want to gain muscle mass while losing extra belly fat at the same time. Plus, it provides probiotics that support gut health, which is an additional benefit. Number 16. Leafy greens. Who says you can't eat vegetable salads on a keto diet? Spinach, kale, lettuce, Swiss chard, arugula, collard greens, cabbage, and bok choy are some of the healthiest options to make your favorite veggie salad. These veggies are generally low in calories, low in carbs of course, and rich in many vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Including a variety of leafy greens in your meals not only adds essential nutrients, but also contributes to fiber intake, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. As with any food on a keto diet, be mindful of portion sizes to stay within your daily carb limits. Number 17. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-carb vegetable, making it an excellent addition to a balanced keto diet. It's also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. It's also rich in many essential nutrients such as vitamins A and C, contributing to immune health and skin health. Additionally, it provides potassium, which is crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance. Zucchini is incredibly versatile and can be used in various keto-friendly recipes. Common preparations include zucchini noodles or zoodles, which serve as a low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.